Ask the Attorney. I'm Amanda Callahan. I'm joined by attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. John, thanks for joining us.
Good to be here.
Well, we have a question today from April. She wrote, Attorney Haymond, my husband and I were on a motorcycle trip through New England, and when we were going through New Hampshire, a car cut us off and we went down. My husband was more seriously injured than I was. We live in Massachusetts and have significant insurance, including uninsured protection. Does it being in another state matter?
Yes and no. The law of the state in which the accident occurred applies. So what may be a wrongful act in Massachusetts is not necessarily a wrongful act in New Hampshire. We are licensed in New Hampshire as well as all other New England states. However, the issue of insurance is entirely different because the insurance that you have on your vehicle follows you no matter where you are, no matter what state you are operating in. And so, in fact, number one, we would look to the insurance of the vehicle that was at fault. And as we've talked about before, 3 out of 4 operators are driving with minimum insurance, and in some states, no insurance whatsoever is required. Let's assume, just for the sake of discussion, the person had $20,000 of insurance. That would then give you the right to look to your own uninsured motorist protection and pursue a claim against your own uninsured carrier for the full amount. It has everything to do with the fact that you're insured and the vehicle was in an accident and the insurance follows you regardless of the state that the accident took place.
And that would be the same for the driver of the car as well. As long as they were insured, it didn't matter.
I'm so very happy that the operator of the motorcycle, the owner, purchased uninsured motorist protection. And in Massachusetts, you can purchase $300,000 worth of uninsured motorist protection, and the cost is about $14 a month extra. Very little to protect and preserve yourself, your assets, your loved ones, and your family.
Right. Well, certainly wishing April and her husband a speedy recovery. John, thanks.
Thank you.
If you have a question you want to ask the attorney, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or visit HaymondLaw.com.